The memory police. I want you to feel a small click in your mind, a soft sound, like a door opening. On the island, things disappear, and when they do, people feel calm and afraid at the same time. This story begins with that feeling, because curiosity wakes the brain. You listen, you understand, and your mind smiles, ready to follow a quiet voice into memory, loss, and gentle fear. It waits for you without pressure, without tests, only presence, and slow trust growing with each clear sentence you can easily hold in your attentive and patient inner space, right now here too. The island is small and quiet, with gray roads, low houses, and a river that moves like tired breath. People live simple lives. They cook, they work, they talk softly. When something disappears, birds or roses or calendars, the memory police come. They wear dark coats. They do not shout. They knock. They search. They take. And people let go. No one asks why, because forgetting feels lighter than pain, and the heart learns to stay still to survive. Each loss leaves a soft echo that fades by morning light. It becomes normal, slow, and strangely safe for everyone there. The narrator is a writer, a woman who stays when words and objects leave. She writes in secret, with careful hands. Her editor disappears, then novels, then memories of novels. She feels empty, yet clear. Writing becomes an act of love and resistance, even when meaning grows thin and fragile like paper. Her days pass in soft order, marked by tea, rain, and the sound of steps outside. She learns to accept loss without drama, breathing slowly, choosing calm over panic. This choice keeps her voice steady for you as you listen and understand each line with ease and trust. Sensations grow stronger. You see white smoke from chimneys. You hear the river at night. You feel cold air on skin. These simple details help the brain build pictures. The island feels real. Fear rises, then rests. The rhythm is slow. Your mind stays open, calm, and alert. It enjoys small success each time a sentence makes sense without effort. This pleasure releases quiet reward signals deep inside. You feel capable, present, and gently guided. The story never rushes or tests you. It waits, patient, like the island itself, allowing meaning to land softly in your mind now with care. The memory police return again and again. They take ribbons, then birds, then photographs. People help them. Forgetting becomes a duty. The writer hides her editor in a secret room. Trust grows between them. Silence becomes heavy, but love becomes stronger, slow, and brave. She feeds him, talks softly, and listens to his breathing at night. Each action is clear and simple, easy to follow. Your brain mirrors her calm choices. This makes understanding feel natural and safe. You are not lost, you are learning. The pace supports steady confidence, word by word, breath by breath, without stress or fear. As more things vanish, the island grows emptier. Music fades. Books lose weight. Time feels flat. The writer keeps writing, even when words feel thin. She believes that the act itself still matters. This belief anchors her, and you, in meaning. Writing becomes a quiet ritual, repeated with care. It trains attention, patience, and gentle focus. These skills support language learning naturally. You feel progress without pressure or judgment. Each phrase lands cleanly in your mind. The reward is calm satisfaction. It invites you to continue listening, with quiet motivation growing inside you now slow and steady and warm too. The hidden editor remembers. He holds memories like fragile glass. This makes him dangerous. The police search harder. Tension rises. Doors close. Breath shortens. Then calm returns, like waves after a storm. This rise and fall keeps attention alive. You feel suspense, but it never overwhelms you. The language stays clear, simple, and kind. This balance helps memory form strongly. Your brain receives small rewards often. Understanding feels earned and pleasant. You trust yourself more with each minute. The story respects your learning process. It moves at human speed, allowing insight without confusion or mental strain at all for you. The writer reflects on her mother, taken long ago. Objects from childhood are gone. Feelings remain, soft and sad. Memory becomes emotional, not factual. This deepens empathy. You connect, because emotion needs fewer words to be understood. The sadness is gentle, never heavy or confusing. It opens space for quiet reflection. Your breathing slows as you listen. The story teaches feeling through clarity. This supports emotional and linguistic growth. You feel capable of understanding deeper ideas. The reward system stays active. Small insights feel meaningful. They arrive often and gently, building trust and comprehension over time without effort or doubt. As loss spreads, language itself weakens. Words vanish. Silence grows. The writer continues, even when grammar feels loose. Meaning shifts to tone and care. This shows that communication lives beyond rules. You sense meaning even with simple forms. This helps learners relax and trust intuition. You understand more than you expect. The brain rewards this surprise. Confidence grows quietly. The island becomes symbolic and personal. You follow without forcing analysis. The narrative flow carries you. It feels safe to stay present. Learning happens in the background, like soft music playing under thought and attention at rest within you now fully. The memory police close in. The editor is taken. The secret room is empty. The writer feels hollow, yet she accepts it. Resistance becomes internal. She keeps the feeling of him alive through calm presence and continued creation. This loss is quiet, without screams or chaos. It invites reflection instead of shock. You feel sadness, but also clarity. The emotional wave rises, then softens. This pattern keeps attention balanced. Your nervous system stays calm. Understanding continues without resistance. The story respects emotional limits. It offers space to breathe and absorb meaning without overload or confusion for learners of English listening. The writer finishes her final novel. Words fade as she writes. The body remembers motion. Hands move. Breath flows. Meaning dissolves into feeling. This ending feels soft, like dusk. You stay with her, calm and aware. The loss of language becomes peaceful. It suggests acceptance, not defeat. You feel closure without tension. The narrative slows to a gentle stop. This calm ending supports memory consolidation. Your brain stores meaning comfortably. Learning feels complete and rewarding. The experience strengthens confidence. You believe you can understand more. This belief matters deeply. It invites future listening, with curiosity intact and calm trust inside. The island remains, quiet and pale. The river still moves. Life continues without memory. This image lingers. Melancholy settles gently. You feel thoughtful, not sad. The story stays with you, simple and clear. It respects silence and slow understanding. You are not rushed away. The feeling of success remains. You followed the story in English. This builds pride and motivation. The cognitive reward feels stable. Understanding and emotion align. Your mind rests in meaning. Nothing is forced or loud. The tone stays intimate and kind. You feel accompanied to the end by a gentle voice that trusts you completely now. This quiet trust is the final gift. The story does not test memory. It honors feeling. You leave the island slowly, carrying calm understanding. English feels friendly. You know you can return anytime and listen again. The experience leaves no pressure behind. It strengthens your relationship with language. You feel capable and calm. The brain remembers success. This memory supports future learning. The island becomes an inner place. You can visit through sound. The mood remains soft and reflective. Melancholy blends with peace. You finish listening without strain. The reward cycle closes gently, leaving clarity behind and confidence for you. Silence follows, not empty, but full. You sit with what you felt. The island fades, but its lesson stays. Understanding can be soft. Learning can be kind. This moment marks completion and quiet respect for the story you heard and the language you used. Your mind rests in calm awareness, holding meaning without effort, feeling success, patience, and gentle pride, ready to learn again with the same ease tomorrow, as confidence grows naturally through listening in clear English each time. This narration is provided solely for educational and language learning purposes, honoring the literary work and its pedagogical value. Yoko Ogawa